here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Heel part of the sock. So basically that part is just going to be our head. And I'm only going to be cutting 3 inches of the sock from that line. And as you can see here, these are the exact measurements. And I'm just going to cut that off. And then I'm just going to cut 1 arrow down from the heel. The reason why I folded it in half is because I was just trying to get like an idea of what the middle is so I can evenly cut the ears out. And now I'm just cutting the ears, and then since it didn't fit to my needs, I just trimmed it a bit more till it became exactly the way how I wanted it. Okay, and now I'm going to be attaching the hands with the teddy bear. So before I begin, I'm just gonna do a little bit of some sort of starting stitch onto one small portion or the part of the hands, and then from there I'm just going to be attaching it onto the body. So once I have attached both hands, I am now just going to be putting some clothes onto the teddy bear. So to do this, I am actually using the blank part of the sock, and then all I'm going to do is that I just folded this in half, and then I made two little circles where I could easily just put in the teddy bear as if it's like a small little clothing for it. And then all I'm going to do is that I'm just going to sew in together the cloth with the teddy bear. Now I did this just to cutify the teddy bear a bit more and also sort of hide the imperfections. And once I have done that, I am just going to give it a face. So this is one part where I just couldn't stop deciding on what I should do. And then I finally came to just first up putting on the eyes, and I had most difficulty of trying to find out what I'm going to do with the nose. So later on, I just normally chose the black bead gem to put on my nose. And if you don't have any gems, you can just use, beads or, buttons, anything that is available for you. Alright, sorry guys for the quick little camera change. My camera died and I had to film from my phone. So basically what I did is that I was just trying to cutify it a bit more. I found this felt sticker from Dollar Tree, which I'm putting it on the shirt. And then I took this ribbon, which is also from Dollar Tree, and made a cute little bow on it to put on its neck. And check it out, it is so cute. I love this. It's just so innocent. I am in love with it. So this is the possibilities for this DIY is like seriously endless. You can make it into a keychain, a centerpiece, a gift to some special person. I mean, you can do anything with it. So this is a cute little DIY, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. So don't forget to watch the other videos that are in this playlist, which will be linked in my link box down below. And yeah, let's now just spread the love. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!